Here make it seem like I begged you. Let's not forget about the fact that you begged me to take your virginity when you was at my house.
What would you do if when you okay, so he said yes would go?
Did leave.
Was it really that serious, Micah?
When was the McFlurry? The ice cream machine never works.
Hello.
Here. Since I'm giving you a free, do a survey.
We get $500.
Okay, I'm really scared I'm gonna take this earring or this needle out, and then the hole is just gonna immediately close up. What do I do? Is it gonna close up? Like, will it close up if I take this out? Will I be able to put an earring in it? Yes or no?
I'm showing y'all how to wipe your ass because it. Did you unlock?
Did you want cucumbers on our salad?
Did you just unlock it?
Well, yeah, I had to ask this question.
Can I piss first?
So, cucumbers or no cucumbers?
Cucumbers.
Okay.
Where's the girl that did this? How am I supposed to go to fucking work without fucking nicotine? Like, is she okay now? Or...
I mean, damn. I just thought a nigga was cute.
By the way, guys, don't hesitate to stop me and ask any questions if you need any help. So for this next example...
So what was the answer to question 9?
77. Anyways, guys...
What was the formula to question 9?
Is this a joke?
What's up?
What's up?
What you on right now?
Nothing, just chilling with my best friend.
Y'all trying to link up or what?
Yeah, we down. Just, you got a friend or like a cousin or something from my best friend?
Yeah, I'm with the homie right now. You want a picture?
Alright, bet. Just text it to me and then I'm gonna tap in with you after I get the picture.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello?
Y'all got the pictures or what?
Yeah, she said he's cute, so just call me back whenever you get to my house, alright?
Alright, little shawty.
Alright, I'm opening the gate for y'all. Alright.
What's up, girl? You like the whip? Can I get a hug?
Aw, hell no, Papa Smurf. You got me fucked up if you think I'm finna crack my knees and squat and hug your little ass.
So my daughter just came up to me all upset. I'm like, well, what's going on? She said, I have a crush on Dylan next door. Yeah. Well, Dad says I can't have a crush on Dylan. Why not? Well, he told me not to tell you, but apparently he's Dylan's real dad. So that makes him my brother. So I can't have a crush on him. Well, don't tell your daddy. But he ain't your real dad. So you can date Dylan. That's fine.
What is this? Am I being born? Oh shit. Oh my god. Young Moolah, baby.
Everybody's asking me why I live in constant fear. Well, actually, I threw a boomerang like 3 years ago, and I don't know.
Shut up! Shut up! I'm sick of you. Oh!
Hello?
Mom.
What?
Listen, I need you to not be mad at me, first of all. Hear me out. I got pulled over for speeding just now on the way to get off the exit to drop Kat off after breakfast. And I told the cop that you called me and that you have a bad hip and you said you fell in the hallway, and he's following me to the house to check on you. So I need you to lay on the floor and act like you fell.
Where?
I got pulled over just coming over the bridge now. I'm about to get off of the
Where am I supposed to be laying on the floor?
In the hallway by the stairs. See that I'm calling
that's
you.
Fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna pretend.
Okay. I'll see you soon.
Eldon. Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to go to sleep?
No.
Then why do you keep falling asleep on me? Oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
What?
Kendrick Lamar just dropped a surprise album. Nigga, it's a joke. You saw how fast you
Hey, this is me reincarnating. This is me reenacting boys in the dressing room before a big game. Inspirational quote in the background of like their dead dad or something. Why?
That my dog.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Let's see what I get. And I do not have an egg cut, I promise. I just don't have a barber right. 30 seconds? Good thing all that is fake. Literally.
Oh my gosh.
She said, puppy, I adore you. I said, baby, I'm normal. Foreigner, foreigner, foreigner.
Bitches be 17 drinking Bud Light. Shawty, what the fuck is your problem? You hear me?
me say, oh, Toodles, you better duck from this mouse control. A dude called me sir today, then stopped and called me ma'am, and then looked at me for a solid 3 seconds, only to say, whatever, I don't know. Literally, all the time. Schools can't even control lice. You think they can control COVID-19? True as fuck. You're quiet as a fucking person. Fuck you want me to do, bitch? Freestyle. Oh my god, we lost our streak. You're 24, start a streak of getting out of bed before noon. So cute, but I'd rather show baby daddy later. Look at his face.
Addison, you go, girl. First 100 of the day. Great. Big one. Come here. Really? Did you even study? Since you did try hard this week, I am going to bump it to a 7. Next time, please study. I believe you can do it. You did work hard this really week.
Just a normal handgun. Das ist a silencer. Das ist a shotgun. Das ist a machine gun. This is the base gun.
Louder, man.
I got Birkin bag pussy, sweetie. You see me. And that's on who? Unemployment. You in my business? Don't do that. But you see me. Yes. I thought I was in my business. Period, fool.
Come on, push, Miss Minaj, push. Breathe in, push. Nikki, push. Oh, okay. Good job, Nikki. What's wrong? The baby ain't crying. Only child, yep, that's who I was destined to be. Get the belt, sir, and make it chastity. Came mama, more style than fashion week. I ain't talking bodies when I say you're net to me. Dropping bars at the right, I'm penitentiary. I got the rocks on me, bling sedimentary. And I'm rich, got the bread, no honey, we. Baby next on the throne, parliamentary. I ain't Maya Ange, but I rise buoyancy. I'ma ride out Zoom, missile bitch, she. And I still got my flow, did the ocean seas. While y'all the aerials, blip, fishy. Child, hand me my child.